Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at Euro USD on the 4-hour chart. Let's go and start by mapping out the current range that we've been dealing with. And as you can see, we've been saying last week, it broke out of this ascending channel, start taking out some of the liquidity under those lows, and now it looks corrective now, even in the current price action. You can see possibly another descending channel where price is consolidating sideways. A lot of people are looking to see if the dollar will strengthen, which means we expect the price to go ahead and take out all these gaps and possibly target any type of area and discount, any type of demand and discount. And then I'll be looking for any type of buys unless it does go ahead and break the lows under this overall range. But it is just trading sideways, looking for any type of opportunity, possibly a higher low forming if the bulls do step up and I do see bullish momentum, and we're looking to target the highs of the overall range. But for now, like I said, it's consolidating. No really opportunity right now. Like I was saying before, the fractal structure is bearish on the 4-hour. Fractal structure on the daily is also bearish, and of course, the overall range is still bullish. So, looking to see if any type of momentum picks up. Could possibly take a sell down to the discount of the entire range, and then start looking for buys in order to target the highs. GBP USD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. Of course, also trending sideways. It broke out of the ascending channel price action, corrective price action from last week. Start taking out some of the lows under the channel. Now today, it's still trading sideways. Buyers have stepped back in after this pullback, after the seller stepped in, and buyers have started sending prices higher, but not breaking past any of the highs of the current consolidation that we're in. And I'm looking for any buys up here, although it is still bullish and swing structure bullish. On the daily, fractal structure is bearish, and 4-hour fractal structure is bearish. But we have to wait to see if this momentum will continue in order to target the highs, because, like I said, it's now sellers have stepped back in and looking for any type of dollar strength within the prices going back down, which will be a better buy anyway when it comes back down to discount. AUD USD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range, the overall range for Aussie dollar. Still bullish swing structure. And that pulled back into discount earlier in March, and then we're waiting to see if the bulls will go ahead and take these prices back up and break out of the range that was formed from this low. It formed this higher low, but this higher low was not able to break past the highs of the overall range. So the sellers were able to step back in. So right now we're still trading sideways, consolidating. It was choppy, and now buyers have stepped back in. So this could be forming a higher low from this low, higher low, and could be targeting the higher highs, looking for any buying opportunity in order to do that. But you also have to keep in mind that these buyers were not able to push past the highs of the overall range, which means the buyers could be getting weak and won't be able to push forward and take out the liquidity sitting over these highs. So you just have to be on the lookout, since it is consolidating right now, trying to break out of this range, but getting rejected from this area of supply here. We do have to see, because if it does break down, then I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunities when it does go into discount of the overall range. You know, it already has, it still can grab liquidity and then target the higher prices. But we have to see, again, with the dollar strength, if dollar does strengthen, then I'll be looking to take any sales back down and to take out all of these lows. NZD USD. Let's go ahead and map out the current range. These buyers were able to take out these buyers from this higher low, from this low, were able to take out the highs of the range. So NZD is a stronger pair, and has been consolidating, has retraced back, has traced back. Looked like this was also forming a descending channel that it's still currently in. So I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunities to take out the highs of this range, the highs of this of this channel in order to continue targeting the higher prices. It does look like the sellers did step back in for this. Also, it is bearish fractally on the 4-hour, but it could be forming a higher low compared to these lows, and it has reacted from this demand area. Doesn't look like the buyers are, I mean, this is a strong candle, but doesn't look like they're able to take out the liquidity sitting up here and any type of gaps in this area. So looking to see if the momentum does pick up in order to go ahead and target these highs, looking for any type of buying opportunities on NZD, USD. GBP AUD, this has been in an ascending wedge, but let's go ahead and map out the current range. Have the ascending wedge still mapped up on the chart. Like I was saying yesterday, it could be forming a distribution from Wyckoff pattern, this being the secondary test, this being the upward thrust, but there hasn't been any type of momentum really pushing this back, the prices back down, because it has been so impulsive over the past few weeks, over the past month. This corrective ascending wedge could possibly send the prices back down, but like I was saying before, the impulses have been strong. It reacted from the liquidity sitting over the highs, but this looks corrective. It did give a sell-off earlier today in the early morning hours, but buyers stepped back in and started pushing prices back up, which means just be careful to if you are trying to look for any sales back down to the discount, because that's what I would be looking for, in type of sales back down to the discount to target the areas of demand. To take any buying opportunities and then target the highs of the overall range, but you can also take any sales back down into discount. But I would be careful at these highs because the buyers and demand is still in control. It hasn't even retraced back. This could be forming the higher low, although it is a consolidating wedge pattern. The prices could just continue targeting the high, so don't see any selling or buying opportunity at the moment. GBP NZD, let's go ahead and map out the current range. This is the pair that did retrace back in the discount. See any type of buying opportunities if we were down at the lower time frame, but right now the current price action is trading sideways, consolidating. I'm looking to see if the buyers are strong enough to push past these highs and target new highs out of the range and form a new structure. What it looks like, they are weakening. The momentum was this looks like the biggest momentum impulse, but it wasn't able to get past this area of supply. It did not tap into the area of supply yet, but it's still continuing to push up, and these buyers are getting weaker, not able to take out the high of what's the current structure that's forming. So looking to see if momentum will pick up. Still looking at a buying opportunity, but again, if the buyers are getting weak from this impulse, then it could start to push back down and take out the lows of this overall channel that this is also forming. But right now, trading sideways, looking for any type of momentum shift back down, and I'll be looking for any sales to take out the liquidity, but not stay in any type of trade too long, because this is a still bullish, fractally bullish, and swing structure is bullish. So you are looking for buys, but like I said, it looks like the buyers are getting weak, so you could possibly take a sell in order to target the liquidity sitting under the lows of the channel. But overall bullish, looking for buying opportunities. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.